In this video, let us learn group by clause in MySQL. Group by clause is used to group the records based on agreed functions. Group by clause is used to group the records based on agreed functions. So now we can write a syntax now. Syntax: select column 1, column 2, column 3, column n number of column. Similar way, aggregate function 1, aggregate function 2, in this way we should use aggregate function n from table name where condition. The where condition is optional here, and group by clause, group by, you don't use clause, use the same column names. So this is the syntax of which one? Our group by clause. So the group by clause works based on the some principles or based on some rules. Rule 1. The column names specified in select statement, the same column names we should use in group by clause. The same column names we must. So instead of should, you can say that is mandatory. We must use it in a group by clause. The column names specified in the select statement, the same column names we must use in group by clause. This is the first rule. So first we can write one query and we need to match with our rule 1. So use GenTechDB and show tables. So currently we have EMP in department, so I would like to go to select star from EMP. So this is our EMP table. So now we can write a query now. What is the query we can write? The case 1. Write a query to display job names. Write a query to display job wise employee count. So what should we do means we have to display the job wise employee count. What does it mean? So we have to tell clerk how many employees are working, salesman how many employees are working, manager, as a manager how many employees, as manager how many employees are working, and next one, job president how many employees are working, and next one, analyst how many employees are working. That one we need to find out. So how we can able to find out means select job count of ename from EMP group by job. So what is the purpose of group by job? Because as per the rule 1, the column names specified in the select statement, the same column names we must use in group by clause. What is the column name we are using in a select statement? Job. The same job we should use it. So it was providing this kind of result. Clerk 4 members are working, salesman 4 members are working, manager three employees are working. Analyst, two employees are working as analyst, and one employee working as a president. So now we will discuss one more rule, rule 2. What the rule 2 is specifying: after satisfying the first rule, okay, what is it? First rule is mandatory. It has to be satisfied. After satisfying the first rule, if we can specify any additional column names in group by clause, if those columns are not available in select statement, it does not have any impact. It groups the records based on column names specified in the group by clause. Group by clause. Group by clause. See now, after satisfying the first rule, if we can specify any additional column names in a group by clause, if those columns are not available in the select statement, it does not have any impact. It groups the records based on the column name specified in the group by clause. Okay, it means, remember, after satisfying the first rule, even if we can provide any additional column in the group by clause based on those columns specified in the group by, it groups the records. Okay, we'll see one example now. The example is in this way. So we can write case 1 here. Write a query to display job and department number wise employee count. We'll see now. Job and department number wise employee count. Select job, comma, count of e-name from EMP, group by job, comma, department number. So it was grouping the records based on the job and department number. So how can you make sure whether it is working fine? So first we can take one query called analyst. Analyst, it's displaying as employee count is 2. First we need to analyze analyst. Analyst with department number 20. Again, analyst with department number 20. How many employees are there? There are 2 employees. Then job plus department number. Okay, that based on job plus department number, we need to find the employee count. So analyst with the department number 20, analyst with the department number 20, there are 2 employees are working. So the query is perfect. So in order to understand this query more elaborate way, so we should write in this way: job, comma, department number from count of e-name from EMP, group by job, comma, department number. Now, but here we can able to analyze the result. Compared to this particular query, both are providing the same output. But here, this query has written based on the rule 1, this query has written based on the rule 2. Even though department number is not available in the second select statement, yes, we can specify additional column. Based on the columns available in the group by clause, it will group the records. But what about the rule 1? What are the columns are available in the select statement? The same column names we should specify in the group by clause. Okay. Now we need to discuss about some of the special cases. Special cases. What are those special cases? First one, can we specify multiple aggregate functions in a single select statement? In a single select statement, can you specify multiple aggregate functions? Answer, yes or no. Select, suppose if you can write max of sal, comma min of sal, comma sum of sal from EMP. Does it work? Yes, of course. It provides the corresponding result it provides. So one more question. Select ename comma max of sal from EMP. Okay, what is the output of above query? What is the output of above query? So what is the output of the above query? So the above query provides error message. Remember, in a select statement along with column name, if any agreed functions are available, then we have to specify the group by class. So if you can write the same query here, select ename, comma max of sal from EMP. If you can execute it, provides error message. So it is expecting which one? Group by class. Then only it works. So now we need to write one more query. So job wise, the minimum and maximum salary we need to find out. So suppose if you can say take analyst, what is the salary? 3000. Again analyst, what is the salary? 3000. So for analyst, min salary also 3000, max salary also 3000. So suppose if you can take clerk, so 800, again 1100, again 950, clerk 1300. So minimum salary is 800, maximum salary is 1300. So we need to find out what is the query means. Write a query to find job wise min and max salary of employee. Job wise min and max salary. So how we can able to write the query means, select star from EMP. First we need to write a EMP table. So we need to write the query now. Select job wise, job comma min of sal, comma max of sal from EMP group by job. So we can see now as clerk, minimum salary is 800, maximum salary is 1300. Analyst, so 3000, 3000. So job wise we are grouping the records based on the minimum salary and maximum salary wise job. So job wise we are grouping minimum salary and maximum salary. Okay, we are grouping the records. Okay, thank you.